This is our modern world history Go Fish game. And like each game, it comes with a little history booklet. And the booklet has directions for all of the different history games you can play. It also has a paragraph for each of the images. So you learn the history of the image while you play the game. When you open up the card box, it has all of the cards nicely wrapped for you. And we've did one of the games here. We have them on the board. First category is the Age of Revolutions. Second category, Industrial Revolution. Peace, free trade, and liberalism. British colonialism. The radical left. Nationalism and unification. World War I. Totalitarianism. World War II. Rise and fall of communism. The developing world. Globalism. Our modern world history Go Fish game.